Welcome back to Tam's Classy Creations, the channel where we break down projects so even a beginner can do it. Oh, I forgot my Santa hat. Greetings, YouTube. We are up to the 7th video of my Christmas series, Last Minute DIY Gift Ideas. Hopefully you are enjoying it so far. Today we're going to personalize some baking dishes. I just love the way these turn out. These would be the perfect gift for your friend or mother. Please hit the like button for me. That always helps me with the algorithm. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Supplies we need. We'll need a glass baking dish. We'll need some brushes. We'll need Armour etch. It's an etching, glass etching cream. We'll need a scraper. We'll need transfer tape, and we'll need permanent adhesive vinyl. This works best. And we'll need a weeding tool. We'll also need our Cricut machine. Now, at my Cricut machine, I just wrote my name, Tammy, and I did it mirrored image because I'm going to place it on the bottom of my pan, and I want to be able to see it looking this way right. So I'm going to weed it. I want to keep this inside of this Y. There. Okay. There we go. Now, I'm going to put some transfer tape on it. I'm going to kind of hold it like this and hold it down. And then okay, now let's take the backing off. I cut it on a fairly big piece of vinyl so that I could get it off, so that my Armour etch wouldn't get on my baking dish. So now on this one, there is some words. What does it say? Anchor hocking. But as you see, that's how my name will look that way. So it is pretty big. But I think it'll look good. So let's get the top off. Here, my transfer tape. What? I'm going to save that because you can always use it again. Now let's make sure all my air bubbles are out. Right next to my name. Okay, it says on the directions to leave this on for 5 minutes. I leave it on a good 5 minutes, and it does say to put it on thick and brush it up and down. So let's start over here. Brush up and down. Okay, now we're going to set and wait 5 minutes. Now I rinsed all the etching cream off and my vinyl was trying to come off. So I was a little bit concerned that I had some old etching cream, but it looks pretty good. Yeah, I hope you can see that. Now when it's wet, it doesn't show as good. But let's see, it's still a little bit wet. Some spots here are wet. But it came out really nice. I'm really happy with it. Even over the anchor hocking, still looks good. That ends the 7th video of my Christmas series. You'll want to come back for the next one. It's another gift we'll be making using the Cricut. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I appreciate all of you watching. That's all I have for you today. Stay warm out there, and as always, see you in the next video.